Hey everybody, Ton here! Let's be honest, using Windows can feel like you're stuck in a never-ending loop of updates, slowdowns, and bloatware. And don't even get me started on those forced reboots right when you're in the middle of something important. If you're tired of feeling like your operating system is working against you, it might be time for a change. In this video, we're diving into the world of Linux to explore 7 compelling reasons why it might just be the perfect Windows alternative you've been searching for. Let's talk about freedom. Freedom from Windows limitations. Linux is open source, meaning its code is free to use, modify, and distribute. Linux itself is completely free. No more paying for a Windows license. Plus, a passionate community constantly improves Linux. Okay, let's be real. One of the most frustrating things about Windows is that it can feel so, well, restricting. You're pretty much stuck with the look, feel, and features that Microsoft dictates. But with Linux, you have the power to customize your desktop environment to your heart's content. Want a sleek and minimalist interface? Go for it. Prefer something a little more modern and feature-rich? No problem. You can tweak everything from the icon theme to the window manager. With Linux, your operating system truly becomes an extension of your own personal style and workflow. Let's talk about security and privacy. Windows has a reputation for vulnerabilities. Linux is built with security in mind. Its open-source nature ensures quick patches. Linux offers robust permission control. Browse, work, and play with peace of mind. Chapter 4. Breathe new life into old hardware. We've all been there. You've got an older computer that's starting to show its age. Windows is running slower than molasses in January, and it feels like the only option is to shell out a ton of cash for a new machine. Well, hold on a minute. Before you relegate that trusty old PC to the tech graveyard, you might be surprised to learn that Linux can often breathe new life into aging hardware. Because it's generally less resource-intensive than Windows, Linux can run surprisingly well on older computers. Let's be real, installing and managing software on Windows can be a real headache. Hunting down executable files, dealing with compatibility issues, it's enough to make you pull your hair out. Linux distributions, on the other hand, typically come with powerful package management systems. These systems streamline the entire process of installing, updating, and removing software. No more hunting down installers or worrying about dependencies. With a few simple commands, you can find, install, and manage all the software you need right from your terminal. Okay, raise your hand if you've ever been hit with the dreaded blue screen of death. It's the ultimate mood killer, especially when you're in the middle of something important. Well, one of the things Linux is renowned for is its stability and reliability. Linux systems are known for running smoothly and consistently, often for months or even years without requiring a reboot. This makes Linux particularly well suited for servers, mission-critical applications, and anyone who values a rock-solid computing experience. Let's be honest, Windows updates can feel like a bit of a hostage situation. They often seem to happen at the worst possible time, forcing you to interrupt your workflow and wait while your computer does its thing. With Linux, you have much more control over when and how updates are applied. You can choose to update your system manually, schedule updates for a time that's convenient for you, or even hold off on certain updates entirely. So there you have it. 7 compelling reasons to switch from Windows to Linux. From its open-source nature and customization options to its robust security and improved performance, Linux offers a refreshing alternative to Windows. Ready to make the switch? Try Linux today.